Are you a person looking to rise above self-doubt, limiting beliefs, unrealized success, feeling of unworthiness, fear, anxiety, uncertainty? Mind Aura, Mind Reconditioning Workshop transforms your reality in 21 days. This workshop helps you train your subconscious mind and coach it to achieve your goals. Connects your thoughts to the images and impressions that brings success to you. Mind Aura Workshop curriculum provides you daily recorded audio classes in WhatsApp. Listen at your convenience from anywhere around the world. Easy daily lessons and mentorship. Lifetime access to the class audio files, affirmations, and guided meditations. Connect and learn with fellow members at Mind Aura family. Additional live interactive masterclasses. You will learn the 7 functioning levels of the mind and how to harness its powers. Methods to focus your mind by removing impurities, channelize and manage your thoughts. How to attract anything into your life, law of attraction, alpha state and guided meditations. Goal setting for life success. Multiple mind reconditioning tools and techniques. Know your trainer, Pradeep K. Nanan. Certified mind and business trainer and Reiki master. Through Mind Aura, spent over 10 years coaching and mentoring thousands of people. Conducted more than 200 workshops to various individuals to awaken their mind's fullest potential. Accredited trainer at Kerala Police Academy. Contact for queries